Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to check Nissan Pathfinder transmission fluid. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and keep engine idling for an accurate reading. Locate the transmission dipstick, usually near the back of the engine bay, and pull it out carefully. Wipe it clean, reinsert fully, then pull again to read the level and color. Note smell and color, and top up only if low. Begin with the engine warm and idling, and ensure the vehicle is level on solid ground. Move the shifter through each gear for a few seconds to circulate fluid, then leave it in park. Pull the transmission dipstick, wipe clean, fully reinsert, then remove to read level, color, and smell. If the fluid is dark, smells burnt, or has metal shavings, plan for a service or fluid change soon. If the level is low, add the specified fluid a little at a time, and recheck often to avoid overfill. Keep track of how much you add and compare to the owner manual capacity to diagnose leaks. Regular checks every few months help spot early transmission issues and prevent costly repairs. If fluid looks contaminated, or you detect slipping or rough shifts, arrange a professional service to inspect, flush, or replace the fluid and filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.